The Samsung S26 Ultra, a smartphone that effortlessly combines sophistication with groundbreaking technology. Its sleek, modern design captivates the eye, boasting a stunning edge-to-edge display that brings every image to life in vibrant colors and sharp clarity. Whether you are streaming your favorite shows or scrolling through your social media, the immersive experience is undeniable, making every glance at the screen a feast for the senses. At the heart of the S26 Ultra lies its powerful 5G capability, ushering in a new era of connectivity. You can download large files in seconds, join video calls without lag, and enjoy seamless online gaming, even in crowded areas. The phone's advanced antenna technology ensures that you remain connected, providing robust performance regardless of your surroundings. No longer will you have to worry about buffering or slow connections. The S26 Ultra guarantees that you're always in the fast lane. Equipped with a state-of-the-art camera system, the S26 Ultra knows how to capture life's moments with breathtaking detail. The main camera features an impressive resolution that allows for stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. With advanced computational photography, every shot is optimized for brilliance, showcasing vibrant colors and fine details. The versatile camera setup, including ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, lets you explore your creativity, whether you're snapping landscapes or intimate portraits. Performance-wise, the S26 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a top-of-the-line processor, ensuring fluid multitasking and a smooth user experience. This means you can run numerous apps simultaneously without experiencing slowdown. Coupled with a long-lasting battery, this device is designed to keep up with your pace, allowing you to work and play throughout the day, without the constant need for a recharge. Beyond hardware, Samsung's software ecosystem enhances your experience. The user interface is intuitive, offering a range of customization options. Features like Samsung DeX allow you to transform your smartphone experience into a desktop-like environment, giving you the freedom to work from virtually anywhere. Additionally, the S26 Ultra provides robust security features, ensuring that your personal data remains safe and protected. In conclusion, the Samsung S26 Ultra isn't just another smartphone. It is a powerful tool that fits seamlessly into modern life. From advanced connectivity and stunning photography to exceptional performance, this device raises the bar for what a smartphone can achieve. Embrace the future with the Samsung S26 Ultra and take your digital life to new heights. Subscribe to Kar Mehnat Bhai for more tech updates, smartphone reviews, and the latest in the tech world hit, the To Stay Updated.